Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I feel so weird right now because I've been away for a hot minute. I've been away because I've been doing some other things in life. All I can say is that I'm in a very happy place right now. I've been doing some personal things and there has been a lot of changes. About that, I'm not gonna explain myself. I just needed some time for myself and that's what I'm gonna say. But that doesn't mean I didn't miss YouTube, that I didn't miss you guys. I missed you so much. I was like, I cannot wait until I start filming again. I know that I promised you this video where I'm gonna show you my space, my personal space, my bedroom, and my closet. So I'm not gonna go very thorough in the closet, but I'm just gonna show you how I decorated everything, and that's my happy place. Hopefully you're gonna love it as much as I do. And I'm gonna be here on YouTube from now on. I do have so many ideas what I'm gonna film, not just makeup tutorials. There's gonna be more vlogs, and one more thing, I have a boyfriend now, so he is definitely gonna be in the video as well. So if you would like to see a video with him, I was planning to do boyfriend does my makeup. I think that's gonna be very funny. So if you wanna see that, please let me know in the comment section. Yes, I'm planning to do a lot of new stuff and to be more creative, more cohesive, so everything is super like connected together. I'm gonna do makeup tutorials. I've changed the way how I do my makeup. As you can see, I removed my hair extensions as well. That's also something new in my life. I'm currently growing my hair back. It actually grew a lot since when I put them on. My hair was up to here as I can remember, so that's like a few inches. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna talk about all these stuff in my next video where I'm gonna be more detailed about everything, what's happening and blah 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 blah. This is just a quick update, but we're gonna talk about everything. And we can get started. Let's go. And now we're officially in my room. I have to say that I really love my room because I did everything by myself, all the decor and everything, and I'm so proud of how it looks like. Let me just say I'm literally obsessed with my bed. It's from Croatian brand named Inua. I'm gonna list everything down below and link everything, whatever I can find, so that you can just see where I got everything from. This is just a classic. I don't know how to describe this, but this bed is really tall. You can literally see it comes all the way to my butt. I am a sucker for tall beds and I just love that. I feel like a queen when I sleep here. I'm not sure, but I think I got the bedding and everything I got from Ikea. White bedding is my favorite, so I love everything to look as clean as possible. This was custom made by my friend. To get something like this, you need to spend a lot of money, but this was very cheap. And I got the handles in Zara Home. Then I have few details here. I have this lamp, which is somewhere from, I am not sure, I'm so sorry. I got this heart from my boyfriend. So cute, I like to keep it there. Then I have this cup holder for some items. Here I keep my lip balm, and I love candles, I'm obsessed. And the scents, like, yeah, and my phone's in here. And here on the wall, on the sides of my bed, I have this black and white pictures and white frames. I don't know, but I feel like they somehow filled up the space. And I think it really looks so much better than just an empty walls. So I have it in both sides, as you can see. Yeah, and here I have the same things, but just with more details. I have some Ladure candles and this holder for something. There's nothing inside, and this vase, the same vase is there. So yeah. Then here I have the Ikea rugs. They're really cute. Obviously this is faux, it's not real. And yeah, I have my office and my bedroom because I don't really have space in other rooms. This is my working space. The table is Ikea as well. You know what? This is actually my favorite space in the entire room. Even though it's working space, I just love the view. Okay guys, so this is what I see when I wake up. Literally have a lake in front of our house and this amazing tree here. And we also have some ducks, swans. It's just so romantic, and everything about this view is amazing. And especially when you're editing here, can you just imagine? It's like definitely my favorite space. And here I keep my iPad and my computer, like I said, some candle, obviously. And I'm gonna show you how it looks from a little bit far away. And these stools are also custom made. I wanted something to fill out the space, especially underneath this table. It just looked so empty. And I just bought the material and just added some golden paint, and this is how it looks like. Very cheap, but it looks effective and very cute in this type of space. It just made the room look more expensive and cute. These two boys over here, I got them for my boyfriend. The first one like a few months ago. This boy, a few days ago for my birthday. I was so freaking excited. He's almost my size. Yeah, now he has his own space in my room. If you're asking me about the chair is from Ikea as well. I like to place him like this so it looks like he's just chilling, right? Right, bro? Are you chilling? You are? Great. I wouldn't say I'm completely done with decorating my room because as you can see, I'm missing a really nice chandelier here, and I have something in mind, so I'm gonna update you on that. But my room is 99% finished, but yeah, let's go and buy that chandelier. Now we're entering my bathroom. I filled my bathroom with loads and loads of stuff, as you can see. Here I keep some of the stuff that girl needs, you know? Some bobby pins and stuff. I'm obsessed with scents, candles, and everything, like I said, so I have a ton in here. Here I have some tissues. Here I keep hair elastics and some stuff like that. I like to fold facial towels like this. I don't know, it just looks way better than if I just fold it normally. You can see this rack is like full of stuff. I got this rack from Ikea as well. Here I have some products from Lush, coconut oil behind, some more candles, more scents. And here I keep my hair removal device. On this shelf I keep my skincare products. I'm not talking about that today because we're gonna talk about that in a separate video. That everything is nicely separated and have its own place. And on this last shelf, I keep everything for my hair care. There's a lot of products for curly hair because I'm starting to wear my own natural curls. But I have a lot of things like hair mousses, shampoos, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna talk about that in the video that I was just talking about. Unfortunately, I don't have a tub, so I have just a shower here, and inside I have more products for hair. And then here I keep all of the things I use on a daily, and yeah, it's a lot of products, I know. And obviously here I keep my toothbrushes, toothpaste, and hand wash shampoo. Here on the opposite side, I keep my favorite perfumes. And on this shelf, I keep everything for body care, like body lotions, body oils, sprays, and whatever. And here, some deodorants and stuff like that, which is not that interesting. Where I keep big towels and some stuff for cleaning, but that's literally not so interesting. Yeah, and this is how everything looks like from here, from my point of view. Let's go. And now we're entering, ta-da! I think to the main space, okay? The mix of my studio and my closet. I'm gonna show you my closet because I think that's why a lot of you are here for. So let's get started. Everything you can see here is like 90% is from Ikea as well. My favorite part is obviously shoe closet area. I think you can find these shelves under the name Billy. I'm not sure, but I think that's the real name. What we did is we bought the glass doors just because it looks way better, and also you can prevent the dust problem. Like, just imagine cleaning all this out. It's a huge problem. I'm gonna open this for you just to see everything a lot better. My favorite bags are in here. The way how I separated my shoes is, I don't know, by color, and this area here are the newest ones in my collection, especially these Dior ones. These are my favorite pair of heels ever. I remember going to Saint-Tropez with L'Oreal and I wanted them so bad, and then I saw the store and I was like, okay, it's just meant to happen. So yeah, I keep them in here. So that's about this part. I'm not gonna go through every single pair. So I'm just gonna show you the area, how it looks like. Oh, and I got this Ottoman custom made. It goes nice with this space. Here I have more bags and more shoes, as you can see. This corner right in front of me, it's just waste of space because here I have windows, so I couldn't just place more closets in here. So how I use the space is I just place the clothing rack with my leather jackets and some spring jackets in here. That's the only way how I could fill the space. Unfortunately, this is really not enough for me. So here you can see the mirror, and I'm gonna put 2 closets there because you're gonna see now everything is so crowded inside, it's crazy. Okay, so in this first area, I keep all my jeans. I color coordinated as well. Here are all the black ones. Here, every piece of mom pairs that I have, and mostly from Zara. I'm not gonna show you in details, but yeah. And here, voila, we have some kimonos and spring jackets. More bags in here, but yeah. I have this part, which is more interesting to look at. So here I keep all my skirts, blouses, tops, shirts, whatever can fit in here. Sorry if this looks a little bit messy, but that's what I was talking about when talking that I don't have a lot of space here. It's mostly what I get from PR, from brands. So I like to keep everything in here just to know what I got. As you can see on me and here behind me, I have a lot of suits. I'm obsessed with suits. I could wear any in any color. So as you can see, my favorite ones are definitely black and white. But I've been loving this neon trend that's been circling around lately, and yes, I got myself a few pieces. Yeah, this is my suit heaven in here, and also some new stuff that I need to wear on my Instagram. And if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see everything. And here I have this doll, which I got just to, you know, put some clothes on, but I never do it, so it just stands here as a decoration. So let's move it because I'm going to show you my dress area. Here I keep all of my favorite dresses. All my favorite ones are hidden here. So yeah, that would be it. So here in the island, I keep more stuff like tops, shirts and stuff. And here I hold all my jewelry, some favorite sunglasses, and yeah. So guys, that was my personal space that I wanted to show you, and I hope you liked my tour through my most important rooms in the house. Hopefully you will get some ideas for yourself. Hopefully I helped you somehow with choosing what you would like to have in your room as well. I absolutely love decorating, and I'm definitely not finished. I know I'm gonna do some adjustments as well. But for now, this is it. I hope you really enjoyed this video and that you liked it. So if you really loved the video, just give me some likes, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.